Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to convert a PDF file into an Excel sheet. So let me open my PDF file. This is my PDF file. It is having huge data in it. I just want to convert it into an Excel sheet. So if you copy and paste into Excel sheet, sometimes it may not work and the data may not come properly. And if the rows are more, then it will be difficult. So follow this trick. Go to the Google and type PDF to Excel converter. So the very first link, open this. Okay, here it is asking for drop PDF files here. So just go to your PDF file section, the PDF location. So drag and drop it to this website. Saying your 7-day free trial is okay. So I just want to go to the settings and clear the cache, then only it will don't ask the pro version. Let me do that. You can delete directly by Ctrl Shift Delete. Pressing Ctrl Shift Delete option. So once it is deleted, I will reopen the tab and drag and drop the PDF file to the site. Now it's cleared everything. Again typing PDF to Excel converter. Opening the same link again. Now drag and drop the PDF file here. See, it is uploading to the website. So once it is uploading, it is converting now. After converting complete thing, you will get the download option of Excel sheet. So you can download and view the same contents which are there in the PDF file. So now I am downloading this file. So just opening the downloaded file. See, this is the Excel sheet. So it is having all the data which are present in the PDF file. In this manner you can convert your PDF file as to the Excel sheet. Thank you for watching this video.